Expressing dislikes in future. Negating with hate. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our video series on expressing dislikes in different tenses. Today, we'll dive into an intriguing topic: negative statements with hate in future continuous tense. By the end of this lesson, you'll be confidently expressing your dislikes about future ongoing actions. Let's jump in. The future continuous tense is used to talk about actions that will be in progress at a certain time in the future. We use it when we want to emphasize the ongoing nature of these future activities. The basic structure is subject plus will be plus verb ing. For example, I will be working tomorrow at this time. She will be cooking dinner when you arrive. The verb hate is a powerful word used to express strong or intense dislike for something. When we use hate in negative sentences, it means we do not hate something. We might actually like it, or be neutral about it. But our focus today is on expressing future dislikes. This is where things get interesting. Expressing dislikes with hate in future continuous tense might seem complex at first, but it's actually quite simple. The structure we use is subject plus will be plus hating. This structure helps us convey that we will continue to dislike something in the future, over a period of time. However, it's worth noting that this form is not commonly used because we don't often plan to hate something continuously in the future. Still, it's good to know how to use it, as it might come in handy in specific contexts, like fiction writing or drama. For example, I will be hating every minute of the long drive to the desert. To express that we won't be hating something in the future, which is more common in everyday English, we make a negative statement with hate in future continuous tense. The structure is subject plus will not, won't be plus hating. For example, I won't be hating the cold weather in Alaska. I love the snow. Remember, hate is a strong word, so use it wisely. And there you have it. Now, you can confidently express future dislikes with hate, even in the continuous tense. Remember, practice is key to mastering any language. So, go ahead and create your own sentences using this structure. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this lesson useful and are looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.